Guys, okay, today I am out in the community of Elyson in Katy. This is an amazing master plan community and has so much to offer. I cannot wait to show it to you. Hey guys, I'm Natasha Tessier. Thanks for tuning in. I am out here in the amazing community of Elyson. They have had a 22% increase in sales, the highest in the city for 2024. They are one of the fastest moving communities. You cannot get in here for under $450. They have a new luxury section, so they'll be up into the 1.5 million. Tons of community amenities. They've got 2 pools that are open year round, 2 workout facilities. They've got a lawn for events. They've got pickleball. They've got everything you could ever imagine. They've got a really cool dog park. And then I'm getting ready to go tour a Highland home that my clients are looking at. This is all in the 700 to 800 range, so we will check this one out. All right, this is a Highland home that is available that we are considering. Got your Highland. All right, you've got a nice high entry. We will start in the main areas. So you've got a very cool kitchen, double ovens. Let's check out their pantry here. Nice, good pantry, good entertaining space, corner fireplace. This has got a downstairs media room, which I like a lot for entertaining. This looks like another kind of sitting area. Lots of entertaining space in here. Let's go back here and I'm sure we will run into the primary. Nice high ceilings. Gorgeous. Primary bath, double vanity, nice shower, nice and clean. And you've got one huge closet in this one. Wow. When I say huge, I mean huge. And this goes back to the laundry room, which is one of my favorite features. So you can access the laundry room that way through the garage and right here through your primary. This is a door to outside. Let's check that out. Nice high ceiling. Pretty backyard, just simple. Good spot for a pool. So look at the balcony up there, very cool. Got a little bar area here. And then back here is gonna be the garage. This is gonna be a drop station with your laundry. That's the primary closet. And then here's your garage. Looks like a 3-car tandem, which means they have an extra spot up here. You've got your tankless water heaters out there, which is very nice. And then up here, as soon as you walk through that front door on the left, we kind of skipped past that. You're gonna have a hallway bathroom. That's your powder. And then you've got 1 bedroom with their own bathroom, which is very nice. Good sized bedroom, walk-in closet. And then another bedroom here. And they have their own bathroom, so that's really nice to have all that downstairs with walk-in closets. Let's go check out the upstairs. This is gonna be just a nice storage closet right here. And we will head up these stairs and check them out. probably a landing, yeah, game room up here because you have your media room down. So you've got your landing up here. And then you've got one bedroom here with the hallway bathroom. Cool balcony. And then there's another balcony kind of overlooking the entry. Another hallway bathroom for people who are in the game room. Another big bedroom. And another big bedroom. Very big house, lots of space. Oh my gosh, and another bathroom. So almost every bedroom has a bathroom in this house, which is really a nice feature without the Jack and Jill. A little bit more about Elyson as I stand here walking through one of their homes. They have a 31-acre lake, which is really cool for recreation. They have 2 fitness centers, 24 hours, so you can go work out. They're nice fitness centers. They have a lap pool, a resort-style pool, a splash pad. The pools are open year-round, which I think is really cool. A lot of communities shut them down from Labor Day to Memorial Day. These are open year-round. They have miles and miles of walking. The really cool thing is they have a brand new elementary in the school. They're going to end up having 3 elementaries just in Elyson. 1 brand new junior high, 1 brand new high school. So a very huge community with so many people living in here and then all going to the same schools. So I think it'll be a big sense of community with lots of different neighbors that you could meet. Got a really cool outdoor pavilion here, hangout area. You've got a community center inside and then this area where everybody can kind of hang out. Huge fan, fireplace, grill. And then this is going to be your splash pad area. So you've got all these amenities in Elyson, which are great. That's going to be the model row. We can go over there and kind of show you some of the different models. I already walked you through a few homes for sale in here, but this is just your amenity center at Elyson. And like I said, you've got your big pool, your lap style pool, and then on the corner there is your workout facility. There's a ton of people in there working out right now. And then you got your splash pad and all your other areas. So pretty cool amenities center here at Elyson. Hey guys, I hope that amenities tour and model tour was helpful out here at Elyson. Like I said from the beginning, this is one of the fastest growing communities in 2024 in our suburbs of Houston. Everybody seems to love it. Like I said, 2 workout facilities, pools open year round. You saw all the models and all the different builders. They are offering amazing incentives right now. I just did a video on all the new construction deals. They are amazing. If you can get in before December 2024 or during this crazy time, you're gonna get the best deal on the house. Reach out anytime. I'd love to help you. Days, nights, weekends, you're not bothering me, and I hope you have a blessed week.